Divine's Blessing, Divine's Love Seminar. I'm AMRITA VIMALA. In this video, we will see mature compassion. Mature compassion has 7 parts. First one is costly. Costly means a defended heart avoids pain, whereas an open heart feels it, but the risk compassion takes. Second one is practicing presence. Clean your heart through practicing prayers, meditations, and chanting divine words, that is, chanting your favorite prayer. The third one is question selectively. That means when compassion flows, enemies remain small. Without forgiveness, the circle remains small only. That is, our friend's circle will be very small and heart will be hardened. Fourth one is towards happiness. Open heart gives more happiness and gives without wondering. Fifth one is rest in contentment. Ground gives capacity to rest in what is. It is joyful, not exhausting. Abide in inner happiness and peace. Be at ease with what you have. Sixth one is open heart. Open heart feels experience continuous and open heart without anxiety. Heart gives but does not deplete or weaken your mind. Seventh one is serve. That is, less expressions, more orientations. That means heart turns towards the welfare of others. It grows to feel and respond. Now we will see how to improve the mature compassion by practicing 3 methods. First one, walk with attention. Walk past everything means please forget every past life. See the homeless person and thank God what you have. Second practice is practice living in the present moment with someone who shares. Resist or argue to fix, advise or compare. Simply be with and hold the space. Third practice is sit with questions. Where does compassion flow freely? Where it blocks? What's stopping telling me about work still to be done? Divine words. Open heart gives and gives without wondering. This is compassion. Support us by liking, sharing, and subscribing. Divine gratitude.